Welcome to A Shot of Joe, the place where you come to get enlightened and get empowered. Click that little button on your right, subscribe to my channel. I want to help you elevate your energy as we continue to move through these times of change. And right now, we've got a really excellent opportunity because of the way the energy is right now to manifest what you desire. And the idea is to get really clear on what it is you want to create. So people always talk about manifesting and bringing things into your life. But the way it works is energy works on the premise of focus and expansion. So whatever you're focusing your energy on, that's what's getting bigger, and that's what you're more likely to bring in. So the first thing when we talk about manifestation is going to be to get really clear on what it is you want to create. I want to use the word create because you're creating your life based on that internal emotion, feelings, beliefs, and how you feel about yourself. Now, in order to do this right now, and in order to make this happen, it's going to be critical to let go of anything in your life that is not working. So that could be anything. That could be your relationships, any relationships that are causing you pain or disrupting your energy field. Maybe you're in a job or in a situation that's not working for you. Maybe where you live is not good, or you realize, wow, this is not where I want to be, or this is not feeling, I always use that feeling word, this is not feeling like a place that I want to be. So you've got to focus right now. It's important to focus on letting go of things that aren't working. And you can do that in a number of different ways. Sometimes you may say, well, I realize that I want to change jobs, or I'm not happy with what I'm doing. Now, before you do that, I don't want you to go from the frying pan into the fire. I want you to focus on exactly what you want to create, not just necessarily what you're doing. How do you want to feel there? What kind of people do you want to be around? What type of environment do you want to be in? This goes for all areas: relationships, health, where you live, like I said, everything. So focus on what you want to create and make sure that you're moving in that direction of how you want to feel. How you want to feel is what will manifest. All the other pieces will fall into place as you go forward. So get focused. I'm telling you now, good things are going to happen for you. So I will see you next time. Don't forget, keep your focus on what you desire.